Hello and welcome again to another StakeXchain video. My name is Theophilus, and today I'm going to take you through what I call the dashboard basics, and you're going to see some very important things you need to know about the dashboard. Now, when you log into the StakeXchain back office, there are two main parts. Okay, the first part is the dashboard, which is this white area. This whole white area is what we call the dashboard. And the dashboard is just like a data point. It shows you some of the things that you need to know about your state of business, where you've gotten to so far, how much you've earned so far, and all those things. Okay, that is what the dashboard shows you. Now, we also have the second part, which is the panel menu. The panel menu is where you do most of your transactions. Okay, most of the transactions are in the panel menu. Okay. Alright, so we are going to look at the panel menu in another video, but for today, let's just look at the dashboard alone, just the dashboard alone. Now, when you enter, there are three boxes at the top. The first box right here, the first blue box over here shows your details. That's your full name, your sponsor number, and then your username as well. Now, the middle box, which is one of the most important boxes, shows you your reorder countdown. It means that you have about this number of days to reorder products again. Remember, the company pays you when you purchase products. You understand? So basically, you need that countdown to know when it's time for you to purchase again from the company. Now, the idea is that if you purchase, the company will make profit and then they can now pay us. All right. So that's the reorder countdown. Very, very important value over there. Then on the right, we have what we call your rank. It shows you your rank so far. Now, before you hit the Jade rank, everybody is an affiliate. From the beginning, everybody's an affiliate. So this account is still an affiliate rank. All right, and that is just what it is. Now let's move down to the parts which are very, very solid, which we need to know very, very well. Now, first of all, we have the total earnings. The total earning you see over there shows the cumulative total. When we say cumulative total, we mean the total number of points you've earned so far. I mean, since you started the business. Okay, so that's the cumulative over there. Now, watch this carefully. The total earning is a sum of the cumulative pairing bonus, cumulative direct sponsorship bonus, cumulative stake shop matching bonus, and then cumulative downline matching bonus. If you take a calculator and then you add all the numbers within these boxes, you are going to get the total earnings. All right. Now, the second box shows you today's earnings. Today's earnings has to do with any amount of money you've earned for that particular day alone. Okay. Now, at a point in time during the day, this figure will reset back to 0, and then it will start again the following day. So that is the total earning. It shows how much you've earned for just that day. It doesn't show a cumulative figure. Okay. Now we have what we call last week earnings. This figure actually shows you how much you earned from the previous week. And from my experience, I believe that StakeXchain week starts from Sunday. That is what I believe. Okay. And then we also have this week's earnings. This week's earnings actually shows how much cash you've earned during this week. That's the new week that has started. Okay, it shows the total new cash that you've earned for the present week, all the way up to the day of viewing. So you realize that this week's earnings is actually going to be the total of the today's earnings you are getting. So whatever you are getting for today, it will be added to this week's earnings. So the following day, whatever you get over here as well, it will also be added to what this week's earnings, and it calculates it day after day. So you realize that this means that just for last week, this account earned $270, and this week already on the second day of this week, this account has earned $163 and counting. All right, so let's move on. Now this over here shows you the package size of this account, and as you can see, this person is on a bronze classic. Okay, so that is the package size. Then we have the required reorder PV. Now this shows the minimum PV to be accumulated for this particular account so that the account can be put back on passive income. That's the non-referral income. Okay, now this basically shows you that you need to buy products up to this PV minimum so that you can start earning passive income again. Now when you go to the eShop, all the products have been listed with their corresponding PV beside them, so you don't need to think too much about it. Just go to the eShop, look at products that match the total PV that you need, and then you buy them, and then that's it. Okay, so that is a required reorder PV. Now we have what we call the parent bonus. Parent bonus shows the total binary commission earned. If you want to understand binary, you can look through our video on the compensation plan. Okay, now this is basically 10% of the points accumulated on your smaller leg. Okay, and that is what you see over here. So this is a cumulative figure. This shows how much this account has earned cumulatively. Okay, that is what works over here. That is how it works. Now the next one is what we call the direct sponsorship bonus. The direct sponsorship bonus actually shows the total direct sponsorship bonus this account has earned up to date. Okay, that's what it does. It's also a cumulative figure over there. All right, now direct sponsorship bonus is basically 20% of the points contributed by a new package. Now what you see over here, the next thing that we see is a downline matching bonus. This is basically the bonus you are paid when your downlines also get pairing bonus. Okay, this is a percentage that you are paid. Now it means that this account has earned this much downline matching bonus since the day it was started. Okay, so that's the downline matching bonus. Now we also have the stake shop bonus. This is actually the passive income that you are paid by the company based on the fact that you bought or shopped with the company. So that is the stake shop bonus. Okay, now the stake shop matching bonus, it actually shows the total stake shop matching income earned, or it shows you the percentage of the cash bonus shared by the company with your downlines after the shop. So it means that while this is your personal stake shop bonus, when your downlines also get their stake shop bonus, you would also get some, and this is where it is calculated. Now there's a condition for earning this, and you can see that in the compensation plan breakdown. Okay, now the next one we see over here is what we call the total monthly purchase PV. Total monthly purchase PV shows your accumulated points volume after shopping. So as you can see, even though this account required only 16, this person has been able to buy all the way up to 52 PV, which has satisfied this already. So it tells you that at the end of every month, you have more than enough money to satisfy this required reorder PV. Now we are moving on to 4 of the most important data values you would ever see on the dashboard. And the first one is the income wallet. Income wallet shows the total amount of income available to you for withdrawal. Okay, this is the only cash you can withdraw. Please note that very carefully. This is the only data that shows you the cash available for you to withdraw. Now the next one is what we call the shopping wallet. The shopping wallet shows the cash amount available for shopping. Remember that as you earn money, the company puts some in here for you to be able to buy products. In essence, when you join StakeXchain, you don't need to put any extra money in there for you to do your shopping. That is how it works. Now watch this next one, which is the package wallet. Very important. It shows the amount of cash available for registration. Okay, that's the amount of cash available for registration, and this one too is not withdrawable. It's not withdrawable. Now the next thing that we see is what we call the reorder wallet. The reorder wallet. Now the reorder wallet shows the amount available to do your reorders. Okay, now what you need to understand is that if you want to do a reorder at the end of the month, you can use either the reorder wallet or the shopping wallet. Either of them is going to work for you. Okay, but what you need to understand, the difference between reorder and a shopping wallet is very simple. Okay, Now when you look at the compensation plan, you realize that for the non-referral side, that's for the stake shop bonus, 80% will be put aside for shopping and then 20% into the income. So whatever you earn from stake shop bonus and then stake shop matching bonus, okay, 20% will come into the income wallet right here. Then the 80% will go into the reorder wallet. So now you may be asking, what contributes the shopping wallet? Now when you earn direct sponsorship bonus, pairing bonus, and then downline matching bonus, all these monies, they'll put 20% in the shopping wallet for you, then 80% will now go into the income wallet. Please note this division very, very carefully. So that is what the reorder wallet does for you as well. Okay, that is what you use it for. So the advice here is that when you have cash over here, avoid using it to shop. If you want to shop, you can use this one to shop for any product that you want any time of the month. But when it comes to the reorder wallet, you always make sure you wait. When the reorder countdown is over, then you reorder. So one thing you need to know is that the reorder wallet, the reorder required reorder PV, and the reorder countdown, these three are linked together. Okay, that's how it works. Now let's go to the next one, the last four actually. This right here shows the left team and the right team. It basically shows the total number of accounts created left and right. Note that in StakeXchain, multiple accounts are allowed, so it only shows you the total number of accounts in there. It doesn't show you the total number of downlines. Okay, that's what it shows you. Now this one shows you the number of people you have sponsored directly. Okay, it shows you the total number of people you have sponsored directly, and also shows you the number of people on the left and then the number of people on the right whom you have sponsored directly. Now this one over here is the accumulated total PV. Okay, now what this one shows you is very simple. It shows you the total accumulated point volume on both legs since this account was created. So this account, as you can see, has accumulated over 29,000 points on one leg already, and about 1,326 points on the other leg. Then the final one, which we also need to note, is the pending PV. Now the pending PV is basically the difference between the right and then the left. Okay, so if you want to understand the pending PV, you look at the smaller leg over here and you subtract it from both sides. So if you subtract 1,326 from the left, you get 0. When you subtract 1,326 from the right, you get 28,121. So that's the pending PV. What it also means is that this is actually the amount left for you to be paid on. Okay, these points, all these points, the moment you put points on this other side, you are going to get paid based on this smaller leg. Okay, so if you can see clearly, you realize that in this case, because the smaller leg is 1,326 points, you see that the pairing bonus is just 10% of that, which is about $132.6. Okay, so that's how it works. So basically this one shows you how close you are to ranking as well. It shows you how close you are to ranking, and this one also shows you how much binary points you have left for you to be paid on. And when you look at this, when you look at the right figure, just multiplied by 10%, and it tells you that this account has over $2,812 left of pairing bonus to be earned. This is amazing, guys. And at that, I'm going to end this video. I don't want it to be too long. Already it's taking some time, but I believe that I've been able to touch on every single aspect of the dashboard. Okay, so please, thank you for taking time to watch this video. I'm very, very appreciative of anybody who watches my videos, and I believe that it's providing value for everybody watching it. Okay, so please like, share, comment, subscribe for more. And if you want to be part of our team, you can contact us through the details listed in the description. Thank you all very much. I'll see you in the next video.